What's up, everybody? Now, this is a little bit surprise. This appeared on my doorstep. I actually ordered some coffee for this week and they were supposed to be here. And when this package showed up, I thought it was that. So I just left it on my kitchen table for a couple of days without inspecting it. But after looking at it, it wasn't the coffee that I ordered. It was something from Beanshipper. Let's check it out. Okay, so I did not order this coffee, but it appeared on my doorstep. There is 2 packs. So this is pack 1 and this is pack 2. And you would think I will have a note inside there because I didn't order it. But I think I just have a delivery note order and sent by Beanshipper Enterprise Malaysia, delivered to John Low. So whoever shipped this to me, thank you. Leave a comment below if you shipped this to me so I know where the origin of this coffee came from and why it appeared in front of my door. So this particular one looks a little bit different. It has a packaging with these strings that's tied in. It's pre-grounded coffee. I'm not sure whether it's a drip bag or do I need to use a filter for it. It is Ethiopia Gesha village by the hub, it says. Let's open this up and check it out what's inside. Different kind of packaging. You have some strings over here. I'm actually trying to figure out if there's a note in between this coffee bag. No, there isn't any note. If you send the coffee, please do comment at the comment section below so I know who sent the coffee to me. My first initial thought it was a drip bag, but it's not. I think it's just pre-grounded coffee in bags like this. Not sure how many grams is this. It feels like at least a 15 gram or to a 20 gram of coffee easily. So that's the Ethiopia Gesha village by the hub. The hub is one of the coffee roasters here in Malaysia. So it feels like there's 15 grams to 20 grams of coffee over here. So let's try this later on. And the other bag is basically, so you read it yourself, okay? I know this is Ethiopia region. The variety, I can't really pronounce it. Okay. It is a natural processed coffee and it has a taste note of blueberry, rose hip and vanilla. It feels like the person who sent me knows my palate and what I actually prefer in coffee. So this is very strange. This is roasted by All Day Roasting Company and shipped by beanshipper.com. So yeah, thank you for sending me this coffee, whoever you are. And since I have this, let's brew some coffee, shall we? So there are step-by-step instructions given for the ground packed coffee. It says that boil 250 grams of water, which is 1 cup. Step 2, rinse paper filter and empty sachet into dripper. Step 3, pour about 35 milliliter or grams of water over grounds and pause for 30 seconds for blooming, which I agree. Pour remaining water in 2 to 3 equal parts and finish the brew at roughly 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Step 5, enjoy your coffee. Let's wait for the water to boil and we shall start brewing. This is the Ethiopia Gesha village by the hub. Tasting note floral, peach, berries, honey. Ground for drips. So the water is ready now. I forgot my kettle, my gooseneck kettle. Wetting the filter paper. Okay. I'm going to turn on my weigh scale. I'm quite intrigued how many grams of coffee. I'm guessing 15 grams of coffee over here. That's about 16 grams of coffee. You got to see the coffee ground. Let me just bring the camera over here. Lightly roasted. I got to say that the drawdown is pretty quick on this one. I'm surprised because you saw, right, how fine the coffee was grounded. 30-second mark. Instead of pouring 2 to 3 parts, I'm going to do one continuous pour to 250 grams of water. The drawdown is pretty quick though. It says that the drawdown is supposed to be about 2 minutes and 30 seconds. It's like watching paint dry, but it's coffee and a lot faster. So it's a little bit faster than 2 minutes 30 seconds. It's about 2 minutes and 15 seconds or so. So I'm just gonna stop. Everything is done. I'll put this away. Give it a little bit whirl. Awesome. It's pretty exciting, I have to say. I love what I smell, man. I can smell the sweetness of the coffee already. Oh my god. So just let it cool down for a little while more. Man, guys, this is really good. So let me just top it up, swirl it. On the nose, definitely on the fruity side of things. Berries, red berries, that kind of sour sweetness to it. On the tongue, I can taste jasmine, very floral, almost tea-like to describe this coffee because it's so light body and also the floral sweetness to it. Earlier, I tasted a lot more sweetness to the coffee at the end, but as the coffee cooled down, it introduces a little bit more acidity to it. There's a hint of acidity in the coffee. It's not overpowering. Yeah, so this is the Ethiopia Gesha village by the hub. And whoever you are that sent me these coffees over here, thank you very much. And guys, if you're new to the channel, do subscribe because we're gonna be showcasing a lot more about smart home devices, camping experiences. No doubt now it's MCO, we are not out there camping, we're stuck at home. And also coffee content like this. Do subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed this particular video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.